Good evening to everyone. Thank you for joining us today and taking interest in our initiative against child marriage. Like all other districts of Assam, on direction of the state government, Udalguri district has also taken up a drive, a social initiative against child marriage. In order to send a strong message against child marriage, in Udalguri district we have registered 208 cases under sections of Child Marriage Prohibition Act and POCSO Act, wherever there has also been sexual abuse of a female victim. Consequent to the registration of cases, 66 arrests have been made since last night as of now, and this drive will continue. We hope that this initiative that has been taken up will go a long way to ensure that girls and women get married at an appropriate age, at the right age. It leads to empowerment of women and also ensures good health of both mothers and future generations. So this is the objective, the underlying objective, and we will continue with a host of activities, awareness programs along with the district administration to make it a wholesome, comprehensive social drive against child marriage. So in all cases, as is always the case in POCSO, we inform CWC and Childline so that immediate counseling, home visit, and if required rehabilitation, if they need shelter on a case-to-case basis, this is looked after by the Social Welfare Department.
It is already done?
Yes, we have already intimated in all cases.
Ma'am, how many cases under POCSO Act and how many under child?
208 cases in all POCSO Act is there as of now. If we register more cases, then those numbers may change. But as of now, Child Marriage Prohibition Act and POCSO in all cases.
Operation is going on till now?
It's related to investigation, yes. The breakup will change as of now. Maximum we have seen in Udalguri, Rota, Masbat, Harisingha, Dima-Kosi Thanas. Here the maximum registration. Are you asking about case or about arrest? Case. Okay. In Rota there are 48 cases. In Dima-Kosi there are 22. These are maximum cases. But it will change as investigation progresses. This will change.
Ma'am, may I know the case details? Case details means how many people have apprehended from Thana area?
This is subject to investigation. The drive is still going on. So until we complete, it will be difficult.
Till now 66?
Till now 66 arrests across the district.